In this notebook, we're looking at battery aging data that was produced in the scope of a collaboration between Mercedes and University of Ulm. So we've started by loading the data and exploring it. Then we trained a few different models and we evaluated these models to identify which model was the best and the most accurate for our data. Then this model was used to make some predictions. And here, for example, we're predicting aging curves ahead of time for certain operating conditions. Then we've looked at the impact of different input parameters on the outputs, on the relative capacity and the relative resistance of the battery. We've also looked more in details at these impacts. And here, for example, we can see how the temperature, the operating temperature impacts the relative resistance as it increases. And finally, we performed some optimization. Then the results of this notebook were summarized in a dashboard that can be consumed by other people, other colleagues, for example, where they can come and understand the data and themselves get some insight from that data and this model. If you're interested in finding out more how this sort of solution can be built, you should check our webinar where we created this dashboard and this notebook from scratch.